Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Genesis G90. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Genesis is a great value with less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cruise control and anti-lock brakes. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.